Potholes are a worldwide problem. As a result, driving in many areas is problematic and dangerous. In most cases, with the conventional means of pothole repair, it's virtually impossible to keep water out of the affected area, which results in the return of the potholes. We now have the ultimate solution, American Road Patch, also known as ARP. With years of testing, exposure, and proven performance on interstates and roads. ARP is made of highly modified asphalt that allows it to expand and contract with the road. It has a heavily reinforced base mat for durability, a rock surface that provides traction, and has an incredibly strong adhesive on the back that adheres to the road surface, keeping the patch firmly in place. Application is easy. Only minimal tools required, which includes a utility knife, push broom, tap, tape measure, and in some cases torch. We only need torch in specific weather conditions to heat and dry the surface. Prep the pothole area by sweeping around it with a push broom. Next, pour the coal or hot mix into the pothole. Compact the filling material with a tap tool. Lay the roll of ARP beside the pothole to ensure that the patch extends beyond the edge of it and is resting on a solid surface. Use a utility knife to cut the patch. Peel the release film off the back of the patch to expose the sticky adhesive. Flip the patch back over carefully and get ready to place it over the pothole. Cover the pothole area. Compact the ARP patch, tapping firmly. ARP has been applied. The road can be opened right after, and traffic can immediately resume. The friction of the tires aid in further bonding the patch to the road surface. Our patent technology allows the patch to completely seal and contains the filling material waterproofing it, thus preventing the pothole from recurring. This proven solution is incredibly durable, as we have patches that see 40,000 vehicles pass over them daily. So say goodbye to potholes and choose the best solution. American Road Patch, smoother roads ahead.